Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing just by following 5 simple steps. And by the way, if you haven't made a dime online, you can follow these steps and you can start making your first dollar online. Also, if you want to scale up your online business, you can follow these steps as well. Okay, the very first thing that you need to realize is that you need to choose one product. Okay, yes, just one product. The biggest error, at least at the beginning, is that people are trying to promote everything and you're not getting results just because of that. Okay, you need to choose a product that you feel passionate about. You need to try it out, and sometimes you need to buy it. A lot of people are telling you out there like, no, you don't need to buy your product. You can promote anything, blah, 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 blah. If you ask me, and in my experience, hey, you need to give it a try. If you cannot purchase it, make sure that this product at least have a free trial or something. But if you can afford it, go ahead and purchase it so you can have the whole experience. It's like whenever you go to a restaurant, or let's make the example. Let's say that I refer to you to a restaurant. I told you like, hey, this restaurant is really, really amazing, the best. And you went there. Maybe you worked with your special someone, or maybe you went there because you have like a really important business meeting, right? And you are like, okay, everything looks amazing. I'm gonna call Diana and I'm gonna find out like what's the best dishes, the best dessert, everything. And I was like, hello, hey, I want to know about this, blah, blah, blah. And I told like, hey, to be honest, I don't have any idea. Hey, no, don't do that, okay? Try the product that you're going to be promoting so you can give people a really great feedback, okay? Don't go nuts. Just choose one product and stick to it. Remember that this is something that you need to feel passionate about, so make sure that the product is in a niche that you really enjoy. Why? Because after that, we need to choose a platform. Again, just one platform. I know it's kind of, everybody's telling like you need to be everywhere. Whenever you try to be everywhere and you are growing, right, you're not gonna get results. If I give you a map, a road map, like, okay, this is a map that you need to follow if you want to find this treasure. But I told you like, hey, you have 10 different routes that you can choose, right? And if you choose one of them and follow them, you're gonna get results. But you decide like, hey, no, I want to drive like for the next hour on road 8, then for the next hour on road B, on road C, blah, 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 right? At the end of the day, you're not going to have that many results because you're trying to be everywhere, okay? And that's not good whenever you are like this small, okay? If you ask me like, hey, Diana, which are your favorite platforms? Blogging and YouTube. Why? Because people are searching for the content, and I feel I really like this platform, and this is something that you need to realize. You need to be whatever you like, okay? If you don't feel like creating YouTube videos, if you don't feel like blogging, don't worry. If you're great with Facebook, go ahead and create your Facebook group. If you're great, building a lot of following on Instagram, go ahead and do it. Plus, please make sure that you're going to choose a platform that you really enjoy, because you are going to need to be creating valuable content. And I mean ton of valuable content. Okay, you don't need to be all day long like selling. That's a huge mistake that a lot of people do. No, you need to be sharing valuable content. That's what I told you at the beginning, that you need to choose a product that you really feel passionate about, and you need to make sure that this product is on a niche that you really love. Okay. And whenever I talk about creating content, it's not any kind of content, but valuable content that do have a purpose. Okay, a lot of people are making these mistakes, and that's why we do have these. In this case, I'm talking about YouTube. These huge YouTube channels, these huge, well, even Instagram accounts, Facebook groups, blogs, that they do have tons of traffic, but when you check out, they're not getting that many customers. They're not getting that many sales because they create this irrelevant content. Let me give you an example. Let's say that I'm in the weight loss industry. My target audience are, women that they are, they want to lose weight, and they are like under 30s or under 40s, right? But every now and then I record a video about how to build muscles for guys, how to have how to have more testosterone, crazy things, right, that are irrelevant to my audience. Yeah, my channel is gonna grow because I'm gonna have these other people who are looking for this information, but they are not, connected to the one product that I choose before. So your content needs to have a purpose. Also, don't forget to have a call to action. Okay, that's really important. Okay, this is not for entertainment. Remember that this content have a purpose. So you need to have a call to action, and you need to build your email list. If you ask me like, hey Diana, which is the best autoresponder email marketing platform? In my case, I use Aweber. I'm going to leave a link below. If you decide to give it a try, you're going to use it for 30 days for free. Okay. I'm going to put a pause here because I know like there are going to be people who are going to be like, ooh, building an email list? Why? If I'm going to be, I'm going to be in social, I'm going to be on this platform. Hey, if Facebook decide to shut down your account because, they changed their terms of services, or Instagram changed their policies, or even YouTube decide like, hey, we don't like your channel anymore, you're going to be screwed. But if you have your email list, you can keep, building your business. You can keep getting revenues. And at the same time, you can tell them like, hey, you know what? I have this experience with my channel, with my Facebook group. Now this is the newest way in which we're going to be in touch. This is the newest YouTube channel. This is the newest Facebook group, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's why I strongly suggest you to go ahead and build your email list. Again, if you ask me my number one recommendation for an email marketing platform, Aweber is the one that you need to try it out. The link is below in the description. Okay, also really important, back on the day, we used to remember everything. Okay, I'm pretty sure that right now, you hardly know your own cell phone number. Okay, but back on the day, we used to memorize everything, telephone numbers, email addresses, website addresses, but now we do have tons of information that it's really hard to remember everything. I'm pretty sure that you are on this point watching this video and you don't remember my name. Okay, so you need to remind your audience that you exist. Okay, you need to share your content everywhere. Don't forget to send it to your email list. Okay, if you create a video, if you put a blog post, if you put something on Instagram, if you do something on your Facebook group, put it out there, send it to your email list. Remember that you're going to be building a relationship with your email list because you're going to be sending them valuable information. So sooner rather than later, they're going to do one of these two things. They're going to buy or they're going to subscribe. If they do unsubscribe, that's okay. Do not focus on people who did not connect with you. Okay? Sometimes I don't know, we put too much attention on this rather than to understand like, hey, here I have these people who really understand me, who really connect with me, and they're buying my products. Okay, and something really important is that you need to repeat again. You need to be creating content. You need to be sending these people your information. And last but not the least, the secret of success: don't stop. You need to have a commitment with your success that you're going to do whatever it takes to make it happen. Okay, tons of people, they don't fail online. They just quit. I don't know, sometimes they don't understand that this is a business, and as a business you need to put time and money. And if you cannot put one of the other, you can put money and you can put time, okay? But at the end of the day, this is a business. You have to treat it as a business. This is not a get-rich scheme, right? Yeah, you are promoting others people's product, in this case with affiliate marketing, but this is not a get-rich scheme, okay? You need to build a relationship with people. Also, remember that if you really want to make this happen, you need to treat this as a business. Okay, don't ever forget that this is a business. So let me recap, and this is what I told you. This is really important. You need, first of all, to choose just one product. Remember to try it out. Buy it if you can. My suggestion is buy it. Okay, please make sure that you're going to be on a niche that you really feel passionate about and you really connect with the product that you're promoting. Choose one platform. Okay, choose the platform that you really enjoy. Don't choose the one like, hey, I'm going to use the one that Diana is using. If you don't like to be on YouTube, don't do that, okay? If you prefer to be blogging, that's okay. If you prefer to be on Facebook, that's okay. If you prefer to be on Instagram, that's okay. Remember that you need to be creating valuable content. If you can do it on a daily basis, that's even amazing. Don't forget to have a call to action, and remember, build your email list. Again, if you want to try it out, Aweber, I'm going to leave a link below. So it's going to be a 30 days free trial. Remember that you need to be sending these people a reminder like, hey, I put out this video, check out my content. They're going to buy, they're going to unsubscribe. Do not forget on those who decide to unsubscribe. That's okay. It's better that way, so you don't like, okay, I'm not connecting with these people, and don't stop. Okay, make a commitment with yourself and with your success. Okay, so if you have some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.